Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Tempus AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Tempus AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.3. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this time. The stock experienced a loss of -26.7%. This translates to an average loss of -1.67% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely within this pattern. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of nearly 18% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decrease of over 66% to an increase of almost 49%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI highlights that the stock price of Tempus AI Incorporated concluded at $42.93 on Tuesday, following a decline of 0.464%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, the stock price decreased by 0.464%, moving from $43.13 to $42.93. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.91%, with a low of $41.39 and a high of $43.84. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown a loss of 9.09%, indicating some volatility. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is typically a positive sign, as volume should align with stock price movements. On that day, trading volume dropped by 3 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $217,092,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $91.45 and its lowest price of $22.89. Currently, the price is 53.06%. or $48.52 below the 52-week high of $91.45, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Tempus AI, Inc., trading under the symbol TEM, has recently made headlines with a strategic collaboration with Illumina. This partnership is aimed at advancing precision medicine through innovations in genomic artificial intelligence. Together, they will utilize Illumina's cutting-edge AI technologies alongside Tempus's robust multimodal data platform, enhancing the clinical adoption of next-generation sequencing tests. Such an initiative could significantly enhance TEM's market credibility, placing it at the forefront of genomic advancements and potentially increasing demand for its services. However, despite this promising backdrop, TEM's stock has faced pressure, experiencing a steep decline from its peak of $91.40 in February to a low of $37.20, which reflects a 60% drop. Such an initiative could significantly enhance TEM's market credibility, placing it at the forefront of genomic advancements and potentially increasing demand for its services. However, despite this promising backdrop, TEM stock has faced pressure, experiencing a steep decline from its peak of $91.40. which reflects a 60% drop. I know what you're thinking, but what's the rule? TEM stock has faced pressure significantly enhanced Tempus's market credibility, placing it at the forefront of genomic advancements and potentially increasing demand for its services. However, despite this promising backdrop, TEM stock has faced pressure, experiencing a steep decline from its peak of $91.40, which reflects a 60% drop. Such an initiative could significantly enhance TEM's market credibility, placing it at the forefront of genomic advancements and potentially increasing demand for its services. However, this decline has raised concerns among investors regarding market sentiment, despite the company's potential for innovation and growth. Additionally, recent discussions have emerged comparing Tempus AI with Doximity, suggesting that investors are weighing their options within the artificial intelligence healthcare space. The company's recent acquisition of Ambry Genetics further expands its capabilities in genomics, a move that might provide a more favorable outlook in the long term. In the short term, positive developments, such as the Illumina partnership, could stimulate investor interest, potentially stabilizing the stock price and attracting new investments. Yet, the significant past volatility and current negative sentiment may continue to impact TEM's performance, prompting a cautious approach for prospective investors. Overall, the combination of substantial innovation potential and fluctuating investor confidence will be critical in shaping TEM's near-term stock trajectory. The combination of substantial innovation potential and fluctuating investor confidence will be critical in shaping TEM's near-term stock trajectory. Together, the combination of substantial innovation potential and fluctuating investor confidence will be critical in shaping TEM's near-term stock trajectory. The combination of substantial innovation potential and fluctuating investor confidence will be critical in shaping TEM's near-term stock trajectory. Overall, the significant past volatility and current negative sentiment may continue to impact TEM's performance, prompting a cautious approach for prospective investors. Overall, the significant past volatility and current negative sentiment may continue to impact TEM's performance, prompting a cautious approach for prospective investors. Overall, the significant past volatility and current negative sentiment may continue to impact TEM's performance, prompting a cautious approach for prospective investors. Overall, the significant past volatility and current negative sentiment may continue to impact TEM's performance, prompting a cautious approach for prospective investors. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TEM an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TEM a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned TEM a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Tempus AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The stock of Tempus AI Incorporated holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $48.40. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $41.74. A breakthrough above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative sentiment. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 52%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 42 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 109 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. Tempus AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $42.70. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is characterized by significant daily movement, referred to as volatility, and the prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that it is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.45 between its high and low, which is a change of 5.91%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 11.60%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.270. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $43.79. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI encounters its first support level at $42.70. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of April 2025, Gottlieb Scott executed an insider sale of 5,006 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Gottlieb Scott executed another insider sale of 16,273 shares of Class A common stock. Again, on April 1st, 2025, Gottlieb Scott sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On that day, Gottlieb Scott also sold 2,558 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on April 1st, 2025, Doudna Jennifer A. conducted an insider sale of 625 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 11 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 98.006. In total, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 54,538 shares in the last 11 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Tempus AI Inc. presents several negative signals, and we believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we anticipate that Tempus AI will open lower by 211 cents, beginning at a price of $42.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Hello. May your world be a better place for everyone, investing and finance. I am excited to see what the market pass. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Do you have any questions about any product? This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.